Just had an amazing, the most amazing experience that I had with the Dipper ever. I'm here at the river. I'm going to scout for the Dipper once again, but this time is a really challenge because it has rained a lot, and all those places that I was laying down to get them low kind of images last year of the Dipper is just flooded with water. It's really high river and not many places with like landing place for the Dipper. So I'm really curious if I'm going to find the Dipper, or where to position myself to photograph. So I think this first day here is going to be like a scouting day and see if I can find a bird, and maybe like learning a little bit of what type of stones they are using, so I can like benefit of that. Just need to see if I can find a bird once again. That would be awesome. I'm going to try a new place for the Dipper. The water level has decreased a lot now, so much more easy to find a place to get down low. And this is a new place, so I haven't been here before. So the only thing that I can do to maybe know how to position myself is to see on the stone where there are some droppings. And I found a good area here under a bridge where I saw a lot of droppings, and I'm just going to lay here. So I'm just going to lay here and I pull my ghillie blanket over me and just need to wait. One thing I know about the Dipper photography is that it involves a lot of waiting. I know that the bird will come through this area here, but I don't know when, because it can be waiting for hours down the stream, looking for food and just resting, and you never know when it comes by you. So I just need to have patience and see if the bird will come this way where I'm laying. That would be really good. It's overcast and I'm laying around 640, 800 ISO f4, and I got around 250, 320 shutter speed. Yeah, it's going up and down the stream, and I know that, so therefore I can just lay down and wait. But sometimes that means waiting for 1 hour, 2 hours. But when the Dipper arrives, it's just a great feeling. So I need to stop talking and just wait, so I don't scare it if it comes. It would be a bad thing. I see it. had the most amazing experience that I had with the Dipper ever. I did manage to film a little bit with my phone, but I didn't have my vlogging camera, and I almost didn't want to move. But actually, before I filmed with my mobile camera, the Dipper landed on the lens itself, just a couple of centimeters from my eyes. That was undescribable cool. Oh, that was so cool. So yeah, we're going to see some of the clips that when it sat on the stone, just, yeah, I think it was 30-40 centimeters from me. But that was really, really cool. Now it's just a waiting game to see if it comes downstream again. That would be so cool. But it's not as warm as I hope it would be. I freeze a lot now. I'm really cold, so I should have brought more clothes. But that's the way it goes. Oh. If this is it for today, I'm more than happy. But let's try to see if it comes back and just position myself the other way here. Yeah, that was awesome. Really awesome. But I'm so cold now, so now I need to get some dry clothes on. And yeah, I had a really great day. It was so cool to have the Dippers that close. Never had that before. And yeah, I think that was probably the best experience that I had with a bird any time. But I don't think I got any award-winning pictures today, but I learned a lot of where the bird was have been like to be in type of stones and area. So yeah, I'm definitely going to spend some more time with the Dipper this spring here as well. And yeah, maybe I get some better images then. But this experience that I had is so much better than the picture. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you stay safe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.